Just look at the cars we found here today. We've just found the mystery machine. How many years do you think these cars have been here for? Look how buried this wheel is in the mud. Peugeot 205. Look at this Mercedes we've just found. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to today's video. Now you may notice that I'm joined with some very special guests today. None other than Alex, Ethan and Jack from Car Throttle. So today we are going to look at a car graveyard. We don't know what cars are there, but I have been told that there are some special ones. So let's go and check it out and see what we can find.
Go, 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 go.
Whoa! Effortless.
Go on, Ethan. Jump it, jump it.
I have to be. Way!
Reverse entry. Go on, boy. Alright, Jack, we'll see you. See you later. Go in, go in, go in. Ah, wait, wait, wait. Just behind railway station you'll find all of it.
That's interesting. You're not going to bite me, surely? Or are you? Hello? Hello?
Yummy.
Hello? Hello? Oh. Oh, aren't you lovely? Whoa. Okay, maybe.
He's a biter.
Yeah.
Very cute.
So we're just approaching the first collection of cars. There's quite a few up there. I'm pretty sure we've got a few more in this direction too. So we're going to check out these ones first and then we'll take a walk up the top and see what we can find out there.
Where do these cars come from? It's like they just get helicoptered in or something. Man. Maybe they grew here. What we got? We got a Ford Focus Estate. This one was trying to make it into the field and further. Is that a 36 coupe? That is a 36 coupe. That's why I knew you'd lose your shit. What the hell's done to 36 coupe here? Guess what engine is it? It's not a 2.8, it's a 2.8.
It is a 2.8.
Looks like we're going to the E36 then. Look at
Craziness.
and there's a 205. Is that a Mardi Gras?
Oh! Yeah, definitely got a
It's a Mardi Gras.
boggy foot after that.
Yeah, that's quite the wrong way. Oh, yeah. It's like being an old friend. And it's an auto. That's the one you want. Is that the car we had? That might be the same one.
Look at the Mercedes, how nice is that?
Yeah. Jack, what the hell? Who's done this? It's obviously not a drifter who owns this car, is it? No.
That's been there for years, isn't it?
Yeah,
Absolutely,
I mean,
years
look
and
at the
years.
ground, like, Are these cars ever open?
I don't know. Possibly.
Oh wow.
Yeah, it is.
Wow. Let's look at all this interior.
It's not even in bad nick, is it, really?
No.
Do you want to pop the bonnet? Just see if there's an engine still in there.
So this is the very desirable 2.8.
Ah, it's the laptop down a little bit. Probably full of leaves.
Look at this, look at that. Look, the wheel is completely sunk into the ground.
It has a full engine.
Wow, look at all the leaves. Oh my goodness.
Wow. Everything's like here as well. Yeah.
Oh, look at that spider.
Oh yeah, that's a big one. Shall we see if any sign that this has been left here? Maybe the head gasket's gone.
Yeah.
Shall I do the Ethan milk test?
Yeah. A lot of sand comes out.
Oh my goodness.
Or a mouse.
Clean as a whistle.
Start it up.
Colin, you got the key on you, mate?
No, sadly I don't.
Jack, you got the battery in your back?
Imagine that if this was the big surprise for Jack.
Yeah. Surprise!
You get a take.
God, look at this.
I would shit.
That's incredible.
Thing.
It's so amazing to see this.
Such a waste, isn't it? But
I'm
even
sure
more
I'm
so
sure it
this.
wasn't, but now, like the ground on that side.
Unbelievable. Look how clean the arches are.
Look at the date and then you've got the pepper bottles. Might give an indication.
Where is it usually? Is it
2022.
Can you imagine?
in the future? Where would you find the date?
It's normally stamped on the top somewhere, I think,
Oh,
isn't
here,
it?
here we are. September
12.
2012.
Wow.
Have a little sip.
It's at least, well, it's about 10 years at least it's been here.
Possibly it's been here for 10 years, yeah.
Wow.
Oh, do you reckon someone's had the tools out of it?
Ah.
I don't know, I mean, they tend to go missing.
I was going to say, how often do you actually see a full set?
Sorry, can we just...
No, whoa. Can we just take a moment just to mourn the fact that there is
Oh yeah, okay.
an E36?
Wow.
No, with the whole video should be about this one car. Should we go home?
Do you two want to have a little moment?
Do you mind?
I think we know which car's going to be the thumbnail.
Wow. This is quite interesting. A Rover Sterling. I think these have got the 2.5 V6 Honda engines in them,
Oh, wow.
if I'm not mistaken. Okay, that's lovely.
So even that doesn't look bad, does it? Like, the arches are pretty solid.
Proper like 90s nostalgia. You can see how long it's been here. Look how buried this is.
Oh, yeah, that, like, whole side of the car sunk into the ground.
Up to its fours
Wow.
and leaves.
Like, that would take effort to get it out, wouldn't it?
Hello.
What's that there, look?
Right, in you get.
2005, that tax disc.
There's a dead rabbit underneath it.
Is there?
Yeah. Oh, that's
He doesn't look like he's been there that long either.
Oh, yeah. Ugh.
He might have
It's not a bad colour either, is it, really?
No, it's not. That would polish up really
Yeah.
nicely. Imagine if we just came here, like with a whole crew of detailers.
Yeah.
Just detailed every single car, just to preserve them.
Just to be nice.
Just to be nice.
Yeah. They deserve it. The cars definitely deserve it.
They do. Where's this dead rabbit? That's
Yeah, let's check the rabbit out. Oh, yeah. Oh,
He don't look very old.
oh he's very
Big
fresh,
fella.
isn't he?
I reckon he's been hunted and left there for later.
Do you reckon?
Yeah. Do you know there's a whippet in Epping Forest that's been missing since before Christmas?
Really?
Yeah. And it's still got its like pink jacket on, and the owners are still looking for it, but it's gone completely feral. It's killing like deer,
Oh my god.
birds, rabbits, everything. So maybe he's made it here.
Yeah, maybe. Who knows?
To West Germany. This is
clearly the best thing here.
and this is a Toyota Hiace. We know how expensive Toyota Hiaces are. When we went to an auction, I wanted to get a Toyota Hiace. It was in completely rough condition. We thought maybe 500 quid.
Yeah.
And it went for what?
Three
Three or four
Three,
grand.
four,
No
yeah.
way.
So this in this state is probably a couple of grand's worth of van. Because the Toyota Hiaces, they just go on forever.
This was a decent.
I like the side window, that's pretty cool.
That's amazing.
Isn't it strange that most of them are open as well? Just like left, you know.
It's like someone's, they even left their house keys.
Oh
Oh my god.
It's like someone's just, they're just evaporated into
Yeah.
thin air.
110,000, that's not even that high.
Jesus, no, not for something like this.
Oh, and it's even got Scooby-Doo on the dashboard.
Yeah. I bet you if you put a battery in this, it would start.
I reckon it would, yeah, I reckon it would.
And the E36, I reckon that wouldn't.
Oh yeah,
take
without a
too much.
shadow of a doubt. It's quite a substantial roof rack on it as well, look.
Yeah, that's amazing.
I wonder what they were carrying on that.
They've had some fun times in this.
Yeah, BK Racing.
Oh.
Could also be a V6.
I think they've aged really well, these cars.
Yeah, they look quite beefy, don't they?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, the inside is rotten.
Ugh.
Really. Colin, is this a good haul?
Yeah, they do get better, but this is a good one, yeah. Yeah, this is definitely a good one. And we've not even seen half of it yet.
The keys are actually on the seat.
You're kidding?
Just see if it turns over. We should have brought a battery with us.
Or one of those dog packs.
I don't have
Didn't some of these have a V6?
Yeah, I'm thinking this
Yeah.
is a V6, yeah.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Unbelievable.
We've got a V6, we've got a straight 6.
I reckon that Mercedes is a V8.
You reckon?
Yeah, I reckon it is.
Let's have a closer look at that as well. Incredible.
This is the dream.
Definitely savable, isn't it?
Yeah.
This is what you want to do. This is, yeah. Have you heard about the ultimate dream?
Completely submerged.
Buy a car for a good deal and then you park it on the land and you get out and you never touch it ever again.
Well, this is future Jack.
Yeah.
We're just visiting the future.
We just bought you to land.
So, the Mercedes.
I'm sorry, I'm finding it hard to
What a lovely colour that is. That would polish up so nice. Service history? No way.
Yeah, that's good. It's got like special paperwork.
Oh my god. That is crazy.
We might be able to see why it's here.
Oh, this is nuts.
Who wants a free car?
With a new owner slip, I bet, right? New key slip.
It's come from Leeds.
You little bastard. It's only just come round the corner.
Sat in. Oh, yeah. In a field in... Out to Mongolia?
It's about to be towed. It's in a field on the moon.
Because that's where we are right now.
Wow.
It looks like the bonnet on that Mercedes is open.
Yeah, you might be right.
I don't know where the cat... Oh, that's that there. If I pull it, you lift it. Oh, God, that's heavy. Oh my God.
Wow, it is.
Here's the V8.
Jesus.
That is such a waste.
A lot of room for activities in there.
Yeah.
Full ready, isn't it?
What if they were all like hit cars?
Maybe it's open as well.
And what are the reasonings for someone to do this?
I mean, hoarding's a big factor.
Yeah.
You know, like people collect cars, you know, they've got plans for them and they just never happen.
Yeah.
I've met so many people over the years who collect cars and they've got all these plans for them and they just end up sitting here like this. It's
Yeah.
such a shame, it
Yeah,
really
shame.
is.
Do you reckon they probably still think they're going to get round to
Yeah,
doing them as
yeah.
well, right? Well, maybe they will.
We've got an empty packet of cigarettes here,
Have
but I
they?
don't think there's a date on them.
Marlboro.
The cigarettes are dated.
Wow.
They're old though, because it's back before they were like clear packaging, weren't they? Okay. Well, a couple of years ago they bought one with
This would definitely start.
they've got boxes this way.
New battery, new fuel,
But
blow the cobwebs off. Vroom.
I feel like we've done by
Even the tyres don't look that old, do they?
Careful that. Oh, sorry. Yeah. God, careful with my future car.
It does have a blow pump compact disc changer.
Oh, what? No way. I wonder what CDs are in there. Snoop Dogg.
Now 3, I'm guessing.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Is it damp?
Yes, very.
Ah, that's a shame.
Lift that again, sorry.
Probably because this is all full up with twigs and leaves.
Yeah,
You know, there's nowhere for the water to go.
Do you reckon the underside of all of these is just shot? So,
You'd imagine so, wouldn't
yeah,
you?
the bimmer's half in the mud. You
Yeah.
can't actually get your hand underneath it.
Actually, shall we just, out of interest, do an MOT check?
Very good.
Yeah, that's a
very
good shout,
idea.
actually.
Very good idea.
Yeah.
What was the app called again, Jack?
Vehicle Smart.
Have you seen the mileage on this Mercedes?
What is it?
32,000.
No.
32,000 miles.
Surely it must have rolled over. Well, I don't know. Maybe not.
That can't be right, can it? Wow. I'm absolutely speechless. Absolutely speechless.
October 2011. The MOT expired 30th of March 2012.
Wow.
So this has been here for 10 years.
That fits with our theory.
With our theory. Well done, Poirot.
One more thing.
Wow. Look at that. Silver petrol. Yeah, blah, blah, blah. It's a manual as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
Perfect. Whoa!
Yes, I will.
Did you go for it again?
We've got all these cars here, and Ethan goes straight to the right thing.
What are you up to? Just a big kid. Thoughts on E36?
Yeah, that's right. Well, why are you the way you are?
You're a real piece of shit.
Okay, so we're just walking up to the second big collection of cars here. It's quite obvious that these have been here for a very, very long time. These trees that are growing up through the middle of them. We've got a Metro, Seat Rosa, Rover, Renault Extra. When was the last time we saw one of those? We've got another Metro over there. God, there's loads of MGs here. This is cool. This is really cool, I like this.
Yeah.
It's got the old Rip Speed alloys.
Oh wow.
Halford Special.
Oh look at this thing.
Wow.
Look at the windscreen, look. That's crazy. Oh my god. Scuttle panel's just completely
Yeah.
gone.
Didn't want to be a Scotland
No.
anymore.
Unbelievable.
Rover graveyard.
A bit rusty.
Bit of filler, you wouldn't know.
This looks like it was once like a forecourt.
Does, doesn't it? Like an old car sales in the woods. How bizarre.
Hello, mate. Got your phone call? What would you like?
Do you have any rovers?
Look at that.
Sir.
My name is Rover.
Oh, certainly sport for choice. That's a shame that the trees come down on this one. Completely ruined it. That is such a shame. I reckon that's the best colour as well. Definitely the best colour in those cars. They obviously like their Rovers.
They did, didn't they? What?
Oh yeah, look at that.
The plot. How clear. Why would there be a Oh, this one's been gnarly.
Yeah, I know.
Boys, you see this? I want this one.
The question is, did it make a noise?
Ah.
Did a hipster bite soundtrack?
Wow.
That really finished this car off, is it?
The keys are still on the driver's seat.
Really?
Yeah,
Do you think that's what ended the car garage, the business? Literally
probably,
years ago?
probably.
This was his prized possession when this came apart.
Not another tree.
I'm going
I
home.
keep on building car dealerships in the forest.
Also, you probably wouldn't, if you argue, you wouldn't know for ages. You'd be thinking that I've got a lovely blue MG up in that woods. I'm going to really go to town on that car and restore it. You come back and fuck.
This is a proper ZR as well.
Is it?
Yeah.
I passed my test to one of those.
Did you?
Yeah,
Are they any good? I've never driven one.
I think they're pretty.
they're not too bad actually.
Really?
Yeah.
You do see a few on track.
Yeah.
Well, there's the MG ZR Championship as
Oh,
well.
do they?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. And these are actually relatively new cars as well.
They are. They are.
Let's do a little MOT check on these, shall we?
The newest one I've seen is that Panda.
Oh,
2007, wasn't it? Yeah. This tax disc ran out in 2013.
2013.
That is a massive pterodactyl bird shit on that windscreen. I'm surprised that hasn't rotted through. Oh look, there's a dent on that one as well.
yeah.
Oh, Jesus. Right, should we have a
Wow.
look at this one?
Yeah.
HM54. No MOT. Expired 28th of Feb 2013.
Wow, so that ties up with the tax disc.
Yeah.
Maybe the lower lot is 10 years and then this is more 7 or 8 years.
Yeah.
This is like the modern classic.
Least of a modern classic, yeah.
Amazing. It's amazing what you find in the woods, isn't it?
It is, it really is.
More people should just go out in the woods at night, just by yourself. Just go for a walk. You never know what you'll find.
Probably find me walking around somewhere.
This one with the wood bashed in.
Yeah, you're sort of a crushed MG type thing, aren't you?
Yeah.
I'm the tree, mate.
On the subject of trees, have you seen the tree growing on the scuttle panel of that Mercedes? Like it's freshly green as well.
Life finds a way.
I wonder how many years it would take for that to actually grow into a proper tree. Can you imagine
That'd be
it?
so cool. Should we come back every year on,
Just-
on this day?
Yeah, do a tree check. Okay, so I'm just going to go and have a look at the other site now and see what other cars we can find here today.
So excited.
Whoa. Oh, I think we've been spotted.
Pigeons are different around
Yeah, they
here.
are. They're a lot smaller.
Hello. Hello, mate.
Okay, wow, second collection of cars.
Oh, wow. They've had a bad time of it.
They have, haven't they? Do you reckon they've thrown a stone at that each time they've driven past it?
I'm guessing these ones have more people passing by them, right?
They must do,
Because
surely.
They've been vandalised, haven't
Yeah.
they? Because that rock, that didn't get there.
No,
By
definitely
accident,
Well,
not.
it didn't fall out the tree, did it?
No.
Let's be honest.
Oh my god!
Mark.
That is such a shame.
Yeah.
Who the hell's smashing these windows?
I know.
Yeah, it's not great.
Oh, what a waste. It really is.
Yeah, who throws
Poor
rocks at
car.
windows, Alex?
And lumps of metal by the look of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't throw stones in glass houses, Ethan.
No,
Did your mother never teach you that?
good band name.
Yeah.
My god. This is crazy. Look, you can't even see some of them. They're that buried.
What's that over there?
Oh yeah. That is not a 300 SL, is it?
That? No, I think that's... Is that not an MG?
I don't know. I really can't see.
Don't get it, Alex.
I see you coming.
Oh. Oh, is it a Triumph Stag?
Oh yeah, I'm pretty sure it is a Stag, yeah. Wow, that's been there for a very long time.
Is it a Stag, is it?
Yeah, looks like it.
Oh god.
Look how overgrown that is.
It's worth some dollar now, isn't it?
Well, there's this one as well, to your left. What's in there?
Oh look, I'm standing on a car.
Is that a Rover?
It is.
Funny that.
Rover 45.
I don't think I've ever seen so many Rovers in one place.
I know.
Look, you cannot even see what that car is there.
I really want to know though.
Yeah. Ooh. Ooh, what is
It's
that?
got old style wheels.
It has.
It's got some age to it.
We found another interesting one.
Yeah. Hates it. Oh, God. Why is everything in there hurt me as
I
well?
definitely shouldn't have worn shorts today.
I'm intrigued because there is so much growth. I want to know when it was last on the road.
Oh, look at the interior in this one. This is quite funky.
Should we do a quick vehicle check on this one?
Do you know, this interior is quite cool. Yeah. Quite like that in a strange kind of way. Oh my God. Look at that. You're not going to believe what we've just found.
What?
I'm not going to tell you. Just wait till you see it. Oh, that is such a tank of a car, isn't it? There's another Metro there. Oh, there's loads of cars here.
So, 8th of March 2010.
Wow.
It's been here 11 years probably.
The first lot is like the premium car lot, isn't it?
Yeah, it is definitely.
These are all their Part X.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you think though, there's some old stuff, like really old stuff back here.
Yeah,
isn't there?
don't know what that is.
I want to.
Is something in there?
There's something the other side of this
Yeah.
thing.
What?
Oh wow.
It's got old, really old style wing
wow,
mirrors.
Chrome wing mirrors.
Green.
Do you reckon I can climb on the roof to try and get? Nah.
It might pop down. It's,
Yeah. I don't want to hurt anything.
yeah, it's a tough one, isn't it? Desperate to know what it is.
I challenge you, Alex. To get the reg of that green one in there.
Challenge accepted.
Oh, the interior
Yeah?
is quite cool. On
It's quite funky, isn't it?
You think you can do that?
I think my friend's Aventador's got a similar colour scheme to that. Yeah, it's really quite cool.
Get a jumper?
No, but just got to know what you're doing with nature.
You got to be a one with it, haven't you?
Yeah.
Go on, Alex.
Just do a belly flop on it. Oh, that would just so hurt, wouldn't it?
Are you insinuating that I have a belly? Or?
Do a gut flop. Careful the car.
Have I scratched it?
Yeah.
Poor car. Got any guesses before we find out?
Green, chrome wing mirrors, an old Jag?
I was thinking Jag.
Yeah, a Jag or a Triumph of some
Although we
sort.
haven't seen anything that posh yet.
No. I suppose it could be a Mercedes.
Yeah, it could be an old maybe. Ow, you twat.
Go on.
feel like Napoleon.
Early sightings, Jag XJ.
No, I was wrong. No. I think it's another Stag.
Is it?
Is it though? What was the challenge?
There's a number plate.
Oh, crying out loud.
You like it?
Ooh.
You're touching it.
The rear lights look a bit staggy.
Ow.
Yeah, that's a Stag, isn't it?
Yeah.
Another Stag.
Go on. There is no number plate.
Oh, you're joking.
Oh, we'll have to get to the back then. Everywhere I drive now, I'm going to look into fields and go, oh,
Ooh.
there's some abandoned cars there. Oh,
A Metro?
That's definitely a Metro. Yeah, 100%.
should we get in?
Could just make it out. Back end of it there.
Oh, is that a C5? No, it's not. Is it some sort of Citroen?
Do you know what? I really can't see. I cannot see for love nor money.
No, it's a Subaru Legacy.
Oh, is it?
Not a twin turbo.
God.
Probably a diesel.
Full focus.
Look at this.
Wow.
What's that back there?
MGF, isn't it? That one there? Yeah, it looks like it. Yeah, I think it is.
MGF.
Looks like it, yeah.
I used to own one of them.
Did you?
Yeah.
Just trying to work out why all the windows on these cars are broken.
Nasty people,
Yeah. Unless it's like a neighbour who's got really pissed off with them over the years.
Yeah.
And just thought, you know, every time I go past, I'm going to chuck a stone.
True, I hadn't thought about that.
Yeah. Oh, look, we've got a... Is that a Range Rover? Looks like there's a Range Rover there. Can you see that?
Oh, there's a fucking Range Rover
Yeah.
over there.
It's a Vogue as well, I think, isn't it?
Bloody hell. Are we getting more high-end market here?
Yeah.
Quite possibly.
How weird is that? As you said, there's a Range Rover there. I looked down, and this is the paperwork for that Range Rover.
You're kidding.
Really?
Well, unless there's more than one Range Rover in it.
That's ridiculous.
Wow.
That is ridiculous.
Your dad will have that, Jack.
Yep.
He's already on his way, isn't he? Yeah, he's coming with a trailer.
Look at that, how the brambles have grown completely over the top of this car.
Oh, yeah.
One side to the other.
Locked it in.
Yeah.
Nature really is reclaiming all
It's,
of this stuff.
yeah, it's not coming out of here anytime soon. Okay, so I'm going to join the guys now. They're trying to fight their way through to have a look at this Range Rover which we just found. Ugh. While I'm here, I'll just show you this MGF which we found earlier. Quite a desirable little car. It's got the luggage carrier on the back as well. Ouch! Oh, I definitely shouldn't have wore shorts today. My legs are tingling like you wouldn't believe it. Ooh. Ouch! Ouch! Oh, I found a battery for the BMW. It's quite a nice colour as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
Wow, absolutely crazy. God, you can still smell the leather. Goodness me, look at the cobweb off the steering wheel and the door card there. Do you know, this is really clean. Such a lovely car. It is a real shame that it's been left here like this. Oh. Well, I don't think we're going to be getting through there, so I think I might run back with the other guys and follow them up to the next part of this spot. But so far, we found some very, very interesting cars here. Okay, so I'm just walking up to join the other guys. Just noticed there is a V8 badge on the side of this car. That to me looks like a Jaguar, which I think it is. Why is that here? Come on guys, why is that car here? Oh, it's such a shame. Huh, Metro! I used to have one of those. G-Reg, is that 89? 1990? Renault Clio. How many Metros is that now? 4? 5?
People are tracking these, aren't they? They're like
Oh,
the 3-door ones, yeah, they turn into track cars.
I used to have one of the 16 valve ones back in the day. That was good fun.
yeah,
Yeah, that was
yeah.
really good fun.
Oh, that one fit you, didn't
Yeah, it
it?
did, yes. It looks like a smiley face.
Wow. Well, we've probably seen How many cars do you reckon we've seen? 60? 70?
Yeah. Right guys, it is now time for us to make a move. Really hope you've enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Please go and check out the Instagram, which is the Beard Explorer _. Also go and check out the Facebook page. Like always, I'll put 10 of the best pictures on Instagram. All the rest will be on Facebook. I will link the guys from Car Throttle in the description below with all their Instagrams. And we will see you on the next Explore soon.